Hello everybody, welcome back to FloureTober Day 3! So in the last episode, we made the kinda acoustic woodblock kinda snare, and this is what the patch looked like. Today's is even more bare bones. Everything is all in the effects today, so we have this, which is kind of a lot, but this is gonna set up for tomorrow's a lot. So basically, all we really have is just a noise click. I love doing this on snares for some reason. So we start with some distortion, making it a bit louder, and then we have nonlinear filter, which is kind of just fucking up the sound, honestly. Nonlinear filter is so versatile, and I hope that I can show that more. So just making it a bit fucked up. And then what is going on here? So Norland Spring is the best thing to ever happen in Convolver, okay? So basically, the idea is we have this, which is just a spring reverb, and then I shortened it a lot, and then I turned the feedback like all the way up. And then I cloned it, and then I stretched it. Hey, I'm just editing this right now. I forgot to mention why we stretch it. We stretch it because that shifts the frequency range of the sample, which can help accentuate different frequencies and give you a more fitting ringing sound. I don't know, it's just fun to play with, but I realized that I forgot to mention that, so. This is something that I've learned is really good on pan snares, which I might be doing tomorrow. And now we have this, which is basically just a high pass with a huge peak that'll get cleaned up later. And then we have some like stereo shaping, like cutting a bit of the fundamental, because that was just a bit too much, so I wanted to clean it up a bit. And then here we have OTT, pretty basic stuff. And then here is where it all comes together. This is multi-band transient shaping. Most of the cleanup comes with this. I turned down the sustain on the low band quite a bit. You can hear without it. It's pretty messy, so I tightened that up quite a bit. This just to give it some more punch in the high end, and then clip it all off. And that is it for today. Basically, okay, so what have we learned? Convolver is fucking insane, and that is all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Day 3 of FloureTober.